Okay guys, next up that we're going to learn is adios. This is the symbol for adios. What we're going to do is demonstrate it first, and then we're going to break it down by the numbers. Watch us first. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Adios. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Picalante, 2, 3. Dile que no. Back, 2, 3. Forward, 2, and stop. Okay, now we're going to break it down by the numbers. First 3 counts is guys starting with your left foot. Girls start with your right foot. Okay? Guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go back with our left foot and face the center. Girls, what you're going to do is go back with your right foot and walk towards the back of la rueda. Watch us one time. And 1, 2, and 3. Girls are now facing the outside la rueda or the back of la rueda. And guys are going to go face the center of the circle. Now guys, we're going to go back with our right foot. Girls, starting with your left foot, you're going to walk around the guy. 3 counts. Ready? And 5, 6, and 7. End up in the closed position. Now what we're going to do is picalante and dile que no. And picalante, 2, 3. Dile que no. Back, 2, 3. Forward, 2, and stop. If we were in a rueda situation where we were dancing as a group, then I'd go to the next girl. Watch me demonstrate that one time. 1, 2, 3. Adios. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, over. I'll go to the next girl and dile que no.